Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the next test in testing of hypothesis, name is correlation test. First of all, we see what is mean by correlation test, when we use the correlation test and step involved in the correlation test. The correlation test is used for testing the correlation between the two variables, that is two samples. Suppose we are given the two variables x and y, then this correlation test is used to test whether the correlation exists between the two variables or not. Let x1, x2, xn be the n samples from the random variable x and y1, y2, yn be the n samples from the random variable y. Let rho be the population correlation coefficient and r is the sample correlation coefficient. These are the notations. Rho is for population correlation coefficient and r is the sample correlation coefficient. So the first step involved in the testing of hypothesis is formulate the null and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis is denoted by H0 and alternative hypothesis is denoted by H1 or HA. So here the H0 is rho is equal to 0 versus alternative hypothesis. There are the three cases: rho is not equal to 0, rho is greater than 0 or rho is less than 0. Not equal to, that means the two-sided test. Rho is greater than 0, that means one-sided right test, and rho is less than 0, that is one-sided left test. Now the second is level of significance. Level of significance is denoted by alpha and it may be fixed at 1%, 5%, 10%, etc. Now the third step is test statistic and its calculation. T is equal to, what is the formula? R into square root of n minus 2 whole divided by square root of 1 minus r square, where r is the sample correlation coefficient, that is Karl Pearson correlation coefficient. And what is the formula for calculating the r? Summation xy upon n minus summation x upon n into summation y upon n whole divided by square root of summation x square upon n minus summation x upon n bracket square into square root of summation y square upon n minus summation y upon n bracket square. Now the next step is stable value or critical value. There are the three cases. One is two-sided, then one-sided right, one-sided left. For finding the value of critical value, we need the degrees of freedom and the level of significance. Okay, so for correlation test, the degrees of freedom is n minus 2, that is the number of independent observations. Okay, so for correlation test, the degrees of freedom is n minus 2. Okay, for two-sided test, see the table value for alpha by 2. So the table value is t n minus 2 comma alpha by 2. This is for two-sided test. And for one-sided test, see the table value for alpha only. So the table value is t n minus 2 comma alpha for this one-sided right test or one-sided left test. And for two-sided, see the value for alpha by 2. Now the last is decision criteria. There are the three cases: one-sided right, one-sided left and two-sided test. For two-sided test, there are the two rejection region to the right side and as well as to the left side, and the middle part is acceptance region, and this point is positive table value and this point is negative table value, that is negative critical value and positive critical value. For one-sided right, only the one rejection region is there to the right side and this point is the positive table value, or that is positive critical value. And for one-sided left, only the one rejection region is there to the left side and this point is the negative table value or negative critical value, and the right side part is acceptance region. Let's see one example. A study was conducted to determine the correlation exists between the consumer perception of television commercial and their interest in purchasing the products. The results are n is equal to 62, small r is equal to 0.37. Test whether H0 rho is equal to 0 versus H1 rho is greater than 0 at 5% level of significance. And the table value we are given 2. Okay, here we want to test the H0 rho is equal to 0 versus H1 rho is greater than 0. Rho is equal to 0, that means there is no correlation exists between the variables, and rho is greater than 0, that means the positive correlation exists between the variable. So we want to test whether the correlation is positive or no correlation. Okay, rho is equal to 0, that means there is no correlation, and rho is greater than 0, that means the positive correlation exists between the variables. So the first step involved in the testing of hypothesis is to formulate the null and alternative hypothesis. So null and alternative hypothesis we are given in example is H0 rho is equal to 0 versus H1 rho is greater than 0. Now the second step is specification of level of significance, and we are given the alpha is 5%. So the alpha value here, the level of significance is 5%. Now the third step is the test statistics and its calculation. So what is the formula? T is equal to r into square root of n minus 2 whole divided by square root of 1 minus r square. Here the value of r we are given in example is 0.37 and n is equal to 62. Just plug the value in the formula, then we will get the value of t is r is 0.37, n is 62 minus 2 whole divided by square root of 1 minus r is 0.37, its square. 62 minus 2, that is 60. So square root of 60, so value is 7.7459, and square root of 1 minus r square, r is 0.37, so 0.37 square, that is 0.1369. Okay, so 1 minus 0.1369 value is 0.8637. Now 0.37 into 7.7459 value is 2.8659, and square root of 0.8631 is 0.9290. Then 2.8659 divided by 0.9290 value is 3.0849. So this is the test statistic value. See again, here the r value is 0.37, n is 62 and r is 0.37. So 0.37 as it is, 62 minus 2, that is 60. So square root of 60 divided by square root of 1 minus 0.37 square is 0.1369. Now the square root of 60, that is 7.7459. So 0.37 into 7.7459 divided by square root of 1 minus 0.1369, that is 0.8631. Now 0.37 into 7.7459, that is 2.8659 divided by square root of 0.8631 value is 0.9290. So t is equal to 2.8659 divided by 0.9290. So the value is 3.0849. This is the value of test statistic. Now the last is table value and decision criteria. Here the table value we are given in example is 2. Okay. Here the given test is rho is greater than 0, that is one-sided right test. Okay, so the degrees of freedom is n minus 2, and see the value for alpha only, because the test is one-sided right. Okay, so here the table value we are given in example is 2. So the decision criteria, the given test is one-sided right test, so only the one rejection region is there to the right side. Okay, this is the rejection region and this one is the acceptance region, and this point is positive table value, so the table value is 2. Now this t is equal to, that is test statistic value is 3.0849 lies in which region? This 3.0849 is greater than 2, that is it lies here in rejection region, so we reject H0. So our conclusion is we reject H0. H0 is rho is equal to 0 versus H1 rho is greater than 0. We reject H0, that means we accept H1. Accept H1, that means rho is greater than 0. That means there is the positive correlation exists between the variables. Okay, this is the correlation test. Thank you.